Is a tax, or does he believe it's a penalty? He actually hasn't said yet, as I'm sure you know. He has not specifically said. His spokesperson sitting here with me said it's a penalty. Supreme Court has said it's a tax. What does he believe?
That it's a penalty. You saw our arguments before the Supreme Court. You've seen what the president has said over the past several years, that it's a penalty for that 1% of the population who can afford health insurance but hasn't chosen to get it. Because the fact is that has led the rest of us to pay a hidden tax of $1,000 a year. Folks who are already covered. It drives up our premium.
So then he disagrees with the Supreme Court decision that says it's now a tax.
That's right. He said that it's a penalty. You saw our arguments before the court, and that is
your
his
arguments
position.
before the court, honestly, also said that it could be one of the side arguments, kind of like the backup argument, was that it was a tax. So I did see the arguments before the Supreme Court.
It never referred to it as it never referred to it as a tax. It said that it was a penalty, and that's under the section of the law that is the tax code. But it said very specifically that it's a penalty.
Let's turn for a minute and